Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Toledo, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we're looking at a decision many homeowners face sooner or later. Does your aging deck need a few repairs, a full resurface, or a complete replacement? The first step is to separate looks from structure. Faded boards don't always mean a deck is done, and fresh stain doesn't mean it's safe. When we come out to look at an older deck, we start underneath, checking posts, beams, and joists. We're looking for rot at the bases of posts, cracks in beams, soft spots in joists, and hardware that's rusted or pulling away. The frame tells the real story. If the structure is mostly solid and problems are limited to a few spots, repair may be enough. That might mean replacing a damaged post, adding proper hardware where nails were used alone, or reinforcing a beam that's been overloaded. We also look at the ledger connection where the deck meets the house, because that's a common weak point on older builds. When those areas can be corrected to meet today's standards, repairs can safely extend the life of the deck. Resurfacing is the next level up. This is where the frame passes inspection, but the surface boards and maybe the railings are in rough shape. In that situation, we can often remove the old decking and rails, address any minor framing issues we find, and then install new deck boards and a modern rail system. It's a way to get a new deck feel without digging new footings and rebuilding the entire structure. Composite decking plays a big role here. If your frame is in good condition, switching to composite boards like TimberTech can give you a fresh, low-maintenance surface that handles weather and everyday use better than many aging wood decks. Paired with updated railings and safer stairs, a resurfaced deck can feel like a new outdoor room ready for the next phase of your backyard plans. Replacement comes into the picture when the frame is too far gone or was never built right in the first place. Signs include widespread rot, undersized beams, wobbly posts, and connections that just aren't up to modern standards. In those cases, putting new boards on top is like putting a new roof on a failing structure. It might look better for a while, but the underlying issues remain. Starting over lets us build a stronger foundation and design the deck the way you really want it. A full replacement also gives you a chance to rethink layout and features. Maybe your old deck was too small, didn't connect well to the yard, or didn't leave space for a patio, pergola, or outdoor kitchen. When we rebuild, we can adjust the size, shape, and stairs to match how you actually use your home now. Sometimes that means adding a lower platform, changing the stair direction, or planning for future shade or a screened section. Safety is the thread running through all of this. Railings that move when you lean on them, stairs that feel uneven, or boards that flex too much underfoot are all signs it's time for a serious look. Even if you're not ready for a full project, a professional inspection can tell you whether quick fixes will do, or whether it's smarter to plan for something bigger. If you're standing on your deck wondering what it needs, start by asking yourself two questions. Does it feel solid? And does it match how you want to use your backyard? If the answer to either one is no, that's a good time to bring in a builder who focuses on structure first, looks second. You can reach our team at 419-574-4799 or visit toughdeckbuilderstoledo.com if you'd like us to take a look at your current deck. At Tough Deck Builders Toledo, we'll tell you honestly whether repair, resurfacing, or replacement makes the most sense for your home and your budget. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Toledo. If your deck is showing its age, you don't have to guess your way forward. We're here to help you choose the option that keeps your outdoor space safe, sturdy, and useful for years to come.